Hello everyone. Welcome to Master's Zone. Today, we will go over step-by-step exercise on how to overcome limiting beliefs while answering a series of probing questions. Watch until the end to hear the last step, it might spark inspiration. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you on your health and wellness journey. Now let's get straight into the video. Our beliefs make it easy to feel overwhelmed and limited in today's fast-paced and ever-changing world. Limiting beliefs can hold us back from accomplishing our intentions and living the life we want. With the right tools and approach, it's possible to challenge and overcome these beliefs. Ask yourself probing questions to challenge your limiting beliefs. Identify your limiting beliefs and write them down. Write down your answers to the questions to help clarify your thoughts and identify patterns or themes. Use your answers to challenge and replace your limiting beliefs with more empowering ones. Limiting beliefs can prevent you from achieving your goals and hold us back from reaching your full potential and living your desired life. Limiting beliefs can impact various aspects of our lives, including our careers, relationships, and overall well-being. These beliefs are often deeply ingrained and difficult to identify and overcome. However, with the proper means and technique, it is feasible to challenge and overcome your limiting beliefs. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on overcoming limiting beliefs by answering a series of probing questions. The step-by-step exercise outlined in this guide will help you to identify, challenge, replace, and take action to overcome your limiting beliefs. By answering a series of probing questions, you will gain insight into your thought patterns and beliefs and learn to shift your perspective towards a more positive and confident mindset. Whether you want to progress in your profession, build better relationships, or improve your overall well-being, this exercise can help you break free from limiting beliefs and create a more fulfilling and successful life. So, let's begin the journey towards self-discovery and growth. By identifying and challenging our limiting beliefs, we can conquer these obstacles and create a more positive and empowering belief system that supports our goals and aspirations. Whether looking to advance in our careers, build better relationships, or improve our overall well-being, overcoming limiting beliefs can help us reach our full potential and live a more fulfilling life. Step 1. Identify your limiting beliefs. The first step in conquering limiting beliefs is to identify them. This may seem simple, but recognizing and acknowledging our limiting beliefs can be challenging, especially when they've become deeply ingrained in our thinking patterns. Limiting beliefs often form early in life and can stem from past adventures, cultural conditioning, or societal expectations. To identify your limiting beliefs, start by taking a step back and observing your thoughts. Pay attention to the negative self-talk when facing a challenge or trying something new. Ask yourself what thoughts or beliefs keep you from taking action or pursuing your goals. Once you've identified a limiting belief, write it down. Writing it down can help to externalize the belief and make it easier to examine objectively. Be as precise as possible about the belief and how it's affecting you. For example, instead of writing, "I'm not good enough," write, "I believe that I'm not good enough to succeed in my career." Identifying as many limiting beliefs as possible is essential, even if they seem small or insignificant. These beliefs can add up and create a significant barrier to achieving your goals. Consider all areas of your life, including your career, relationships, health, and personal growth. Finally, be aware that identifying your limiting beliefs can be an ongoing process. As you work to overcome one belief, you may uncover another. It's essential to approach this process with a growth mindset and recognize that changing your thinking patterns takes time and effort. In summary, identifying your limiting beliefs is the first step in overcoming them. Take the time to monitor your thoughts and write down any beliefs holding you back. Remember to be specific and consider all areas of your life. You're taking an essential step towards personal growth and achieving your goals by identifying your limiting beliefs. Step 2. Challenge your limiting beliefs. Once you've pinpointed your limiting beliefs, the next step is to challenge them. Challenging your beliefs means examining them critically and questioning whether they're based on facts or assumptions. This process can help you gain a more objective and accurate perspective on your beliefs and how they impact your life. To challenge your limiting beliefs, start by asking yourself probing questions. These questions can help you to explore the evidence for and against your beliefs and consider alternative perspectives. Some questions you might ask include: what evidence do I have to back this belief? Is this belief based on fact or my interpretation of events? How would someone else view this situation or belief? What would happen if I didn't believe this? Have I ever had a different experience that contradicts this belief? As you answer these questions, be honest with yourself and try to examine your beliefs objectively. Consider all the evidence for and against your beliefs and look for emerging patterns or themes. It's also helpful to challenge your beliefs by seeking out alternative perspectives. Talk to others who have faced similar challenges or who hold different beliefs than you. Read books or articles that challenge your beliefs and expose you to different ways of thinking. Finally, it's essential to challenge your beliefs with compassion and self-kindness. Recognize that your beliefs may have developed as a way to protect you or help you cope with difficult situations. Be gentle with yourself as you explore your beliefs and focus on finding new, empowering beliefs that support your goals and aspirations. In summary, challenging your limiting beliefs involves examining them critically and questioning whether they're based on facts or assumptions. Ask yourself probing questions and seek alternative perspectives to gain a more objective and authentic view of your beliefs. Remember to approach this process with compassion and self-kindness as you work towards creating new, empowering beliefs. Step 3. Replace your limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs. The third step in overcoming limiting beliefs is replacing them with empowering ones. Empowering beliefs are positive, affirming thoughts that support your goals and aspirations. Replacing your limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs can shift your thinking patterns and establish a more positive and confident mindset. Start by identifying the opposite of each belief to replace your limiting beliefs. For example, if your belief is "I'm not good enough," the opposite could be "I am capable and worthy of success." Write down each empowering belief and repeat it to yourself regularly. It's essential to use positive, present tense, and personal language. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." It's also helpful to create visual reminders of your empowering beliefs. Write them on a notepad and place them where you'll see them regularly, such as on your bathroom mirror or computer monitor. You can also create a vision board incorporating your empowering beliefs and images representing your goals and aspirations. Finally, it's essential to practice your empowering beliefs regularly. This means repeating them to yourself throughout the day, especially when facing challenges or negative self-talk. You can also practice visualization techniques that help you to imagine yourself living out your empowering beliefs and achieving your goals. Replacing your limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs takes time and effort. It's imperative to be patient and persistent as you work to shift your thinking patterns. Remember that your beliefs are not set in stone, and you can change them. In summary, replacing your limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs involves identifying the opposite of each belief, using positive language, and practicing your beliefs regularly. Use visual reminders and visualization techniques to reinforce your beliefs and shift your thinking patterns. With patience and perseverance, you can build a more positive and confident mindset that supports your goals and aspirations. Step 4. Take action. The final step in conquering limiting beliefs is to take action. While identifying, challenging, and replacing your limiting beliefs is integral to the process, your actions will ultimately determine your success. Taking action can reinforce your empowering beliefs and build momentum toward your goals. To take action, start by setting specific, achievable goals that align with your empowering beliefs. Dissect your goals into smaller, manageable daily or weekly steps. This can help you to avoid feeling overwhelmed and stay enthusiastic as you work towards your goals. It's also essential to hold yourself accountable for taking action. Share your goals with a supportive friend or family member who can help you to stay on track. Set deadlines for yourself and track your progress toward your goals. As you take action towards your goals, remember to celebrate your successes along the way. Recognize the progress you've made and the challenges you've overcome. This can reinforce your empowering beliefs and motivate you as you work towards your goals. Finally, it's essential to be flexible and adaptable as you take action. You may encounter setbacks or obstacles, but don't let them discourage you. Instead, pay attention to what you can control and find creative solutions to overcome challenges. In summary, taking action is the final step in overcoming limiting beliefs. Set achievable goals that align with your empowering beliefs and break them down into manageable steps. Hold yourself accountable and track your progress toward your goals. Honor your successes along the way, and be flexible and adaptable as you encounter challenges. You can overcome your limiting beliefs and accomplish your goals with perseverance and a positive mindset. In conclusion, overcoming limiting beliefs is a process that involves identifying, challenging, replacing, and taking action. Following the steps outlined in this exercise, you can shift your thinking patterns and create a more positive and confident mindset supporting your goals and aspirations. Remember that identifying your limiting beliefs is the first step in the process. Reflect on your feelings and beliefs and identify any negative or self-limiting patterns. Once you've identified your limiting beliefs, challenge them by questioning their validity and looking for evidence to the contrary. This can help you to shift your perspective and create a more balanced view of yourself and your abilities. Replacing your limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs is the next step in the process. Use positive language and visualization techniques to reinforce your empowering beliefs and create visual reminders that can help to keep you motivated and on track. Finally, taking action is crucial for turning your empowering beliefs into reality. Set achievable goals that align with your empowering beliefs and break them down into manageable steps. Hold yourself accountable, track your progress, and celebrate your successes along the way. Overcoming limiting beliefs is not always easy, but it is possible with perseverance and a positive mindset. Remember to be gentle and loving to yourself as you work through the process. It's okay to encounter setbacks or obstacles, but don't let them discourage you. Instead, zone in on what you can control and keep persevering toward your goals. Following this step-by-step exercise, you can break free from limiting beliefs and create a more fulfilling and successful life. Embrace the process and trust in your ability to create positive change in your life. Subscribe and turn on notifications to avoid missing future videos on how to overcome limiting beliefs and much more. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.